Good afternoon, each and everyone. We're watching right now here in my YouTube channel, okay? Once again, welcome back to my channel. Okay, guys, if you have seen this video, guys, okay, I have a stone here, it's a heavy stone, but this is only small stone. This is not actually purely magnetic stone, okay? But you can see here the personal appearance of this stone. Okay, you can see white flecks on the future and past. Oh? Future and past is here, okay? And as we observe this stone, it composed of uh, so many minerals inside of this stone. Okay, like this, we have brown. Okay, we have yellow color, we have golden color, we have white, we have black and gray. There are also silver and brown, guys. Okay, this is not normal stone because this is heavy than a normal stone like this, guys, like sedimentary rocks. Okay, this is stony iron meteorite, guys. Okay, we focus on this kind of stone. Okay, focus here. I didn't put light here because if I on the light of the camera, the color of this is the whole will turns to yellow, guys, or golden color. That is why I don't on the light of the camera, guys. This is the natural color in the personal appearance without light. Okay, like this here. Okay, wait. This is unpolished, guys. I just only wash this and with water with a detergent, guys, and I brush it to remove dirt from its surfaces, guys. Okay? Here we have burns here. These are burns. All of the body of the stone has a burns like this. Okay? This is quite heavy stone, heavy and hard stone. I think this is hardest stone I ever found. Okay? I apply a hammer on this, but it can't be break. Okay, once again, this is my stony iron meteorite. So it's a mix of so many minerals inside, guys. Okay, yeah? Like this. Okay, if we put this like this, okay, it feels from heaven like this, okay, from the galaxy. Yeah, right. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel and my FB page, the Onyx the Black, okay? Onyx Black, the Stone Blogger, and the Lolo Juris TV. Thank you very much and good afternoon.